Starting off with the motherboard, we have the Gigabyte B550M Aorus Elite. This Gigabyte motherboard stands out with its robust 12+2 phase digital power design, ensuring stable and efficient power delivery to the CPU. It supports AMD Ryzen 5000 series and 3rd gen Ryzen processors, offering excellent performance for gaming and productivity. It features dual-channel DDR4 support with 4 DIMM slots, allowing for ample memory expansion. The board includes dual ultra-fast NVMe PCIe 4.0 slots with thermal guards, ensuring high-speed storage performance and reliability. Connectivity options are impressive, with onboard Intel Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5, and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet LAN port for fast and stable network connections. Additional features include a high-quality audio codec with WiMA capacitors, RGB Fusion 2.0 for customizable lighting, and SmartFan 5 for advanced cooling management. The pre-installed I/O Shield and QFlash Plus for BIOS updates without a CPU make installation and maintenance straightforward.